Okay, so I've prepped the that part. If you can remember, we fixed this place. So I prepped it using after sanding it 120, then I used 220 grit sandpaper. Then I now use 320 to sand it very smoothly. And here is the paint. I got this off Amazon, and I have the base coat, I have the primer, and I have the clear coat there. Shake this properly. I'm gonna shake everything properly. So I'm gonna apply the primer on this. I'm gonna spray it again. Just make sure you do it in one just like that, one movement straight, so it doesn't generate a flow. You just go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this. I'm gonna do this a couple of times. After giving it the primer, I've used I think I give it about 5 coats or 6. Then I used 320 grit sandpaper to sand it, and then after that I'm gonna begin to just slightly sand it again, just to make sure the surface is pretty smooth with 320 grit. Normally I should use 600, but I had to use 320 because that's what I have here, and I believe it should work fine. So, and then now I'm gonna put the base color. And so let's see how this comes out. I'm just gonna do it one layer at a time. Let's start watching. So I'm gonna leave that to dry, and then I'll do it again. So I'm going to apply the top coat again. Then after this, I think we should be good. So I think that's it. So I can see a few in areas there. This is the old paint, this is the new paint. So you can see there's just a little bit of a difference there, but it's not much. We can get away with that. So what I intend to do is just blend this place a little bit. Just spray a little thing here just to make sure it just transitions into each other. So nobody's really gonna notice that there is any difference there. Yeah, nobody will notice that. So now it's pretty much done. So we can now put in the I can go ahead and put on the clear coat on this. Now I'm gonna apply the clear coat, which is this here in my hand. I'm gonna apply it on this one, and then I think after that we'll be good to go. I've already shaken it properly, and I'm gonna spray it in 1 minute. We wait, we let it dry, then we'll do it again. All right, let's apply another coat on it, second time. That's the second coat. All right, so let's apply a third coat, which is we call this a wet coat. It's going to be a little heavier than the other one. First ones were lighter, so so what I decided to do here is I decided to use apply alcohol to just wipe it off, so I can put one more coat on it. You know, this is a canned clear coat. It's not like the regular. It's not the regular coat. It's not the regular paint that they use in. It's not the regular paints that they use in body shops. So the shine might not be up to that. So I want to try and put more on it, more coats on it, so I can give it enough glaze. Before I go ahead and remove all this, so to remove any debris, that's why I'm using that cloth soaked in alcohol to just wipe it clean before I pull up another coat. So we have, I'm gonna put in one more coat so I can give it a little more shine. So the job is done here. As you can see, it's all looking shiny. Looking shiny and looking good. I'm just gonna put back the door liners here. So I put those back. So I put back the door liners. I think yeah, we should be good to go. Once the door liners are back in there, Yeah, just put in the door liners. Once that's there, it doesn't take long to dry. Within a few seconds or a few minutes, it's completely dry. So we just put this back in there. Yeah, so I've gone ahead and put back the door liners, and then that's it. The job is pretty much done. That's it, and I'll see you again in the next video.